That's me in. Got the keys. Oh, look at that. Watch the FOD doing that. Painted the flare. It's right up the top right hand side. It's a big place. It's looking good. Right, I'm going to get the van unloaded. I've got some mud junk up with me. We got some stuff moved in. Nuts, bolts, some tools. The CRF 450, all the parts lying at the back. I'll be putting a bench out there somewhere. There's lights to go on that side as well, so I've got a bench going out there. The RS50 is going to go in the space here. And these are due for rebuilds, but there's no rush for these. These two are my bikes, so. And I'll probably be using the Suzuki GT250 come and go for you. So I'm going to have to start advertising shortly. Get some work in. And I'll be starting to sell pit bikes, new pit bikes and quad bikes shortly. So just keep an eye out for that, please. We update. I'm getting settled in a wee bit. I've got done this bike before. This is the one I've done the valve shims. This has got a wee oil leak, so I'll fix that. Got a wee 125 quad. That's a Sprag clutch. That actually burnt out the starter motor. I managed to get the RS50 up. So these will all be getting started shortly. Along with that, I've got the parts here for that. So, and I've got a selection of new quads, KO, I think it's pronounced KO quads, and Thumpstar and Stomp pit bikes arriving next week. That's the second week of December. Just try to think what the day's date is. So it's the 3rd. It's the 3rd of December. So, and this coming Monday, this is my official starting date. It's at the 5th of December 2022. So I'll have to start advertising. That's my two babies there. Right. I'll keep you folks updated. I'll be able to do better videos with the jobs I'm doing as well. So there's my tripod away down there.